Uratomokira na njira ya imwe kwa imwe kuma mucii munene wa Nairobi nyumbani ya DSM Place king'aratua gia Kijabi ni tuoka na rwiga rwimbebaine rwa maria twatinda tugikumathira kuma icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi uyu gakunyita ugeni umuthi uyu ari gatatu ga kiumia tariki ni 11 mweri-ini wa gathano mwaka wa 2025 ni mwihoko witu wa tindia thayo na hwaini waku ni muhoreru twitikirie twambe tumurike mamwe ma maria mari thiini wa mutamburuko-ini witu wa mohoro hwaini uyu.
I tell my apology on behalf of the National Police Service because of that information.
Munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja gucunga muhera kumana na riboti yake ya hau kabere ati Albert Ojwang niwe weyuragire thutha wake kwiringithia ruthingo-ini kuria ahingiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central.
I know even of a particular senator, Mr. Speaker, who never even waited for 2 months, whose natural national chorus is Murkomen must resign, Murkomen must be fired.
Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen kuga ndagutiga wira kumana na gikuo kia Albert Ojwang akiuga ruhonge rwa IPOA ni ruo ruri na wigiririki wa gwika uthuthuria.
We are calling not just for the resignation but for the arrest and arraignment in court of the Deputy Inspector General of Police Eliud Lagat.
Atongoria a mwena wa mung'ethaniro kuheana mathaa 24 kuri munini wa borithi Eliud Lagat atige wira na aikio ngono kumana na gikuo kia Albert Ojwang.
Anybody who is in this school, you are operating outside the law.
Na Minister wa migunda Alice Wahome kuga minister wa tene ni umwe wa andu aria mekuhamurithio kuma gicunjini kia mugunda wa thukuru wa muthingi wa Lavington guku Nairobi. Ni njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'ana turateithania na Nyambura wa Musha mwathiriri witu na njira ya ciko. Twambiririe mohoro maitu hwaini uyu. Munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI Mohamed Amin ni erire bunge ya Senate OCS wa ceceni ya borithi ya Central Samson Talam niwe mwikuirwo munene cira-ini wa gikuo kia Albert Ojwang. Munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja nake ni atindikiriirio gucunga muhera ni undu wa riboti ya mbere iria yarekereirio ni ruhonge rwa borithi ya kuga muhuthiri wa nenda Albert Ojwang akuire na njira ya kuguthithia mutwe wake ruthingo-ini na hoho korwo na ihinda irito gutariria gitumi kia Ojwang guthamio kuma Homa Bay nginya guku Nairobi. Mubi wa Chege no ratuhingurira na riboti ino.
Gikuo kia muhuthiri wa nenda Albert Ojwang gigithiaga na mbere kururumura marakara kuma kuri muingi na atongoria amwe. Munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI Amin Mohamed ni agwetete OCS wa ceceni ya borithi ya Central Samson Talam gukorwo ariwe mwikoirwo munene gikuo-ini kia Ojwang ona gutuika maseneta aingi no matindikiririe kweheria wabici-ini kwa munini wa IG Eliud Lagat.
Why the Deputy Inspector General of Police is still in office when he was very quick to interdict or to give directives for junior officers to be out on the basis of the proximate cause theory.
Talam is the officer commanding Central Police Station. And from the totality of things, he should be treated as a prime suspect in the matter.
Ari mbere ya bunge ya Senate, Amin ni ateteire munini wa IG Eliud Lagat akiuga ona gutuika niwe waikirie matata ma guthukirio ritwa gutire hindi aigirire uthuthuria thutha wa kuhura riboti kuri DCI na thutha wa Ojwang kunyitwo gutire hindi akinyirio wabici-ini cia DCI.
The suspect was driven straight to Central Police Station and nowhere else. And for this, we can technically confirm even the movement of the Subaru vehicle by using the GPS system. some members were alluding to the fact that maybe the suspect was taken to DCI headquarters. And nothing can be far from the truth.
Nake munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja ni akorire gatagati-ini ka ihiga na handu homu bunge ya Senate ikimutindikiriria gutheria uria Ojwang akuire na ni amamuragire.
The question was, why was this young man booked alone in a cell? And your response, if I got you correctly, is that matter is under investigation.
Yes.
Really, is that your response?
Yes. The matter is to establish the correct position.
Thutha wa kugeria gwikiria murigo ruhonge rwa kunyabara mirutire ya wira ya borithi IPOA uhoro wigie riboti iria ruhonge rwa borithi yarekereirie rita ria mbere makiuga Ojwang akuire thutha wa kwiguthithia mutwe ruthingo-ini. Kanja ndauma na wikitiga gucunga muhera.
From his cultural background, it is attracting a huge stigmatization of that family. So I'm inviting the IGP to offer an unconditional apology.
It is not true. He did not hit his head against the wall, but that is the report that we had from the word go. I tell my apology on behalf of the National Police Service because of that information.
Aja cia Kanja na munene wa DCI Min Mohamed uhoro wigie gitumi kia Ojwang guthamio kuma Homa Bay nginya Nairobi ni cionekanire kuriana. Kanja akiuga gitumi ni kuona mahitia matafaneirio Nairobi no
hari gutabania uthuthuria bara nginya utoria mwandikitwo Mwaura wa Gunyara atariria.
Bunge ya Senate netereirie cikaro ciayo cia oro muthenya niguo kwenda kumenya kiria giacungiriirie gikuo kia Albert Ojwang ari moko-ini ma maabitha a borithi kuria itabanirie giikaro na minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen, munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja, munene wa borithi ya DCI Mohamed Amin na ruhonge rwa kunyabara uruti wira wa borithi rwa IPOA aria othe mambire guthingiririo kuria mwihitwa mbere ya mambiriirie kuheana wira wao.
Wanjiku Mwangi
ni giikaro-ini giki minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen acemanirie uthiu gwothio na maseneta aria maramuthingiriria kuyeheria gituro-ini giake thutha wa kwira maseneta ati we ndari handu akuruhanitio na njira yothe na uthuthuria indi munene wa borithi no ubatie gutariria bururi kiria giathire na mbere wa kumutigithia wira ucio.
You truly don't know what you're playing with. Please resign. You cannot be an inspiration to be in cabinet.
Can the CS tell us why? Because you cannot be in office still having authority and power, and you are the person who is being investigated.
There must be a link between the crime and the individual, and therefore
dismissed from service.
Nobody has told me here whether the investigations lead to a particular result, whether it is to protect him or to exonerate him or to charge him, Mr. Speaker, is not my responsibility. That responsibility rests with Independent Police Oversight Authority if they find any culpability, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Mwaura wa Gunyara.
As the vice.
Ni ngatho Mwaura wa Gunyara ni riboti yo mwiroreri twitikirie tombe tugeikirie oro hanini ni tugucokereria na mangi maingi maria mari thiini wa mutamburuko-ini witu wa mohoro.
Nina furaha na shukrani kuwa ulizaliwa, kwamba upendo wa
Watch the battle unfold. The search for Africa's next hit maker just got hotter. Recharge your subscription today to never miss a moment.
Authentic talent.